In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate templates in Notion. Duplicating templates in Notion lets you reuse a structure you already love without rebuilding it from scratch, which is perfect when you want consistent pages for similar tasks, clients, or projects. Start by opening the database that contains the template you want to copy. This could be a table, board, list, calendar, or gallery view. Any database with a new button near the top. Once you're there, click the small drop-down arrow beside the new button. That opens the full template menu for this database, showing both Notion's built-ins and any custom templates you or your team have created. From that menu, locate the template you want to duplicate. If you have many, scroll until you see it, along with its icon and description if one exists. Hover your cursor over the template name to reveal more controls. When the three-dot menu appears to the right, click it to open the options specific to that template. Choose Duplicate from the drop-down options. Notion will immediately begin creating a copy. Give it a moment. Depending on the complexity of the template, it can take a few seconds. When it's done, a new template appears in the same list, usually with Copy in the title, so you can spot it quickly. To avoid confusion later, rename the duplicated template right away. Pick a clear, specific name that explains how you plan to use it. You can include a short label, a version number, or an emoji to help distinguish variations at a glance. Next, open the copied template and customize the content if needed. Update placeholder text. Adjust default properties and relations. Tweak checkboxes and headings, replace any sample content, and change the icon or cover. Make sure any instructions inside the template reflect your current workflow. Edits here affect only this duplicated template. Your original remains untouched. Now you're ready to use the duplicated template for different projects or workflows. Each time you click New and select this version, Notion will generate a new page pre-filled with your structure and defaults, saving setup time and preserving consistency across your work. If you don't see the copy right away, it typically appears after a short delay. And if your workspace uses permissions, make sure you have rights to edit templates before you begin. That's all there is to it. Quick, reliable, and a huge time saver.